Yeah, it's Dr. Nick. For the students, for the practitioners, for the world. The book that changes the game, the muscle manual. Dumb 600 pages, full color, no fluff. Evidence-based info, yeah, we packing it tough. From the class to the clinic, it's the text you trust. Colleges require it's a global must. Muscle testing, anatomy, posture, and gait. Palpation skills that'll elevate. Rhyme, goniometry, kinesiology too. Strength and variation, all here for you. Go to the muscle manual, learn it, teach it, live it. Students and pros, yeah, everybody get it. Definitive, trust it, required by schools. Dr. Nick wrote the book that rewrites the rules. Case studies to get critical, making it clear. Knowledge for the future and the patients right here. From assessment to action, every chapter's tight. Use it daily in the clinic, guiding treatment right. It's the one-stop guide, evidence at your side. Patient education, we gon' teach worldwide. Function for emotion, we connect the dots. With the muscle manual, you got the tools and the thoughts. Under the muscle manual, learn it, teach it, live it. Students and pros, yeah, everybody get it. Definitive, trust it, required by schools. Dr. Nick wrote the book that rewrites the rules. Classroom to clinic, it's the resource you need. Global education, evidence-based creed. It's a muscle manual, only from Dr. Nick and ProHealthStocks.com.